Hi fellow flowers, Violet here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the triangle stitch. So this stitch is relatively simple. It's very similar to doing the box stitch, but probably even easier. This one only requires 3 strings, so pick 3 strings that you like and cut them to be the same length. And then tie a knot. And pull that knot tightly. And then flip it upside down and hold the knot with your pointer finger and your thumb finger, like so. And you'll see that I have 1 string going up and then 2 that are kind of coming down to the sides. So I'm going to start with this top string, which is my pink string, and I'm going to bring it down in between the other 2 strings and form a loop. And then I'm going to use my thumb to hold that loop in place. Next, I'm going to grab the white string that's on the side, and I'm going to bring it over that pink loop, but I'm going to bring it in front of the blue string. So I need to move that blue string out of the way and put it in between the pink and the blue. And finally, I'm going to take this blue string and go over the white and underneath the pink and pull that through. And then I can pull it all tight. And for the stitch itself, it's pretty much the same thing. I'm going to start with my top string again, which is the blue, and I'm going to form a loop. And then I'm going to take this white string and bring it over that. And then I'm going to take my pink string, which is the last string I need to interact with, and I'm going to go over the white and underneath the blue loop and pull it all tight. So one more time I'm going to show you, but I'm going to zoom in here really quick. Okay, so I'm going to take this white string, bring it down and make a loop. Take the blue, go over that, and then finish by taking the pink and going over the blue string and underneath the white loop and pulling it all tight. And after a little while, what you should have is a square triangle stitch that looks something like this. Now it's up to you however you want to finish it. You can tie it onto a finding, or you can cut the strings like I am going to do, or you can tie a knot, which would basically just entail tying another knot and calling it a day. But I kind of like the look of a triangle on the end, so I'm going to just trim those strings and hope they stay. I sincerely hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.